In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with ClickUp, a powerful productivity tool that's making waves in team management and personal organization. Whether you're a new project manager, a team leader, or someone looking to bring more order to your personal tasks, ClickUp offers a suite of features to streamline your workflow, and the best part is that it's completely free to start. Beginning your journey with ClickUp is a breeze. First things first, let's head over to the ClickUp website. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once the homepage loads, you will be greeted with a welcoming interface designed to ensure a smooth onboarding process. Here, you'll need to look for the prominent button that says, "Get Started, It's Free." Right from the get-go, ClickUp makes it clear that you can start experiencing their robust set of tools without any initial cost. Upon clicking the Get Started button, you'll be taken to the sign-up page. This is where you'll be creating your account to access ClickUp's features. Now, while there are several ways you might be able to sign up, today we're going to focus on using your email. Choosing this option not only simplifies the sign-up process, but also ensures you have secure and direct access to your projects and tasks right through your inbox. Simply enter your email address, create a safe and strong password, and you're on your way. Remember to use an email that you regularly check because this is how ClickUp will communicate with you regarding your account and updates. Once you've entered your details and confirmed your registration, boom, you're officially part of the ClickUp community. Now you should see a welcome page or dashboard prompting you to begin setting up your workspace. This is where the real fun starts. You have the opportunity to explore and personalize your space according to your specific needs, whether that involves setting up projects, adding team members, or integrating other tools that you already use. And that's it. You're done and well on your way to maximizing productivity. As you dive deeper into ClickUp's features, remember to explore tutorials offered on their site, which can enhance your understanding and usage of the platform. These resources will help you to become more adept at managing tasks, enhancing collaboration, and achieving your goals efficiently. So go ahead and take that first step towards a more organized and productive workflow with ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive guides and tips on managing your digital productivity tools. Happy organizing!